This is the brief on the improbable creation of Earth. Honestly, think of our planet's existence like winning the cosmic lottery, but where every single number drawn was a literal apocalypse, forcing us to ask if we're a total accident or perfectly designed. First, the spark of life required a massive explosion. Like 4.6 billion years ago, a drifting gas cloud called the solar nebula was hit by a supernova shock wave. That blast collapsed the cloud and ignited our sun. The leftovers violently clumped together through a chaotic process called accretion to form early Earth, which was basically a molten hellscape. Isn't it crazy our planet's first breath actually required a star's violent death? Second, a specific disaster made that hellish world livable. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet named Theia slammed into us. That crash formed the Moon and, crucially, tilted Earth exactly 23.5 degrees. That tilt gave us the seasons that triggered complex life. Just imagine the margins here. If that rogue planet had missed or hit at a slightly different angle, we absolutely wouldn't be here. Finally, that lucky collision matches our impossibly perfect placement in the solar system. We sit right in the Goldilocks zone. Just 5% closer to the Sun, we'd boil like Venus, and 5% further, we'd freeze like Mars. Plus, we've got a magnetic field blocking radiation and massive Jupiter acting as a giant asteroid shield. So, are we living in a fine-tuned universe, or is this just survivor bias, where we're only here because we survived? Ultimately, Earth was forged by violent cosmic accidents and positioned by impossible luck. Whether it was blind chance or grand design, your existence today is the ultimate cosmic miracle.